Today we're making pancakes, but before we make, we mise en place. As far as I'm concerned, mise en place is as simple as it's better to have and not need than need and not have. And who wants to find out when you're cooking a meal that you don't have everything you need for that meal? If you've been there before, you know how much that sucks. So for this meal, we need 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I am scooping it into the cup and then leveling the cup. And then I'm pouring it into a strainer. Add to that 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna sift that all in. I realized at this point that I have a sifter, but I figured as far as manual labor is concerned, a sifter and using this strainer this way is about the same thing. Crack an egg, add an egg, don't add an eggshell. Crack a second egg. Add that egg, and I'm using almond milk because I just don't use cow's milk anymore. Add to that melted butter and whisk that all together. I'm also not of a mind that you need to have some dry lumps in your pancake mix. I like all batter to be liquid. Add to that some vanilla extract that takes it to the next level, of course. If you didn't know. And if you want to take it to the next level, extra E's on the D, add almond extract. I just did about a teaspoon each. Then I add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar. And mix that all in. I cook on a flat top because clearly my aspiration is to be a line cook at a diner. But I'm scooping in the batter onto this flat top. A rule for whether it's flat top or a pan that you're cooking pancakes on, you want to turn the heat up on high. Add your oil for about 2 minutes and then, or until your oil thins out. You'll see it thin out, and then you turn the oil down and add your batter. As far as flipping pancakes goes, you want to make sure that you see full coverage of bubbles on your pancake before you flip it. And now for the sexy. Oh my God. This is the point where I stop talking and I'm just gonna have some pancakes now. Full recipe is in the description. Make sure you subscribe for more content.